I'm going to make a pair of green earrings. These are sort of barrel shaped. They're flat on the top. So, let's get started. And these are like 22 gauge, 24 gauge. They're small, or they're flimsy. See how bad they've been? These will have to have a wrap. And they're ball pins. Alright, let's get started. We're going to take one of our green beads. These are just a little quick pair of earrings you can make. Take one of our low barrels. That's about a 6 or 8 millimeter, and these are 4. And that's an 8, so that's about a 6. And that's what we'll do. And it's dark on one side and light on the other, so I guess that's just the way they made those beads. Sort of electroplated on one side is what it looks like. And these are your spacers. And they're the snowflake or star. I don't know exactly what they're called, but they're the spacers. I think it looks good with them in there. Somebody else might not like them, but I don't know. I think they look good with them in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and bend it back, then bend it around and make a loop. Then we'll take it, and as tight as we can, we're going to wrap it around. And I'm going to stop right there so I can catch this. Probably need to hold it here, so I can catch it and maybe back it up a little bit. Get this as close as I possibly can. Cut it off. And then try to get it mashed down. We'll do the next one. Wrap it over, wrap it around. Then we'll take it. Needs to pull up a little bit. Now, I'm going to try to do this like this. You do not want them laying around on the floor. Especially if you have carpet. Wind up getting them in your feet. There we go. And now we're going to open up these. Open up these. Like that. Open up that. Twist it open. Always twist. Put it on. And twist it back. And there we go. Cute little pair of earrings. wear with a green outfit. Yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks for sticking out to the end. It really does help me out, and liking and subscribing. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.